Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take your chrome kidney grills to these black kidney grills, the dual slat MT style kidney grills. So the first thing you want to do is remove this weather strip, and it's just held in by the side of the fender right here. So you just remove it and then just put it off to the side. Then there's going to be 6 T25 bolts or screws over here. So you unscrew them, and then once you unscrew them, you have to reach your hand through here, and then you need a pit tool so you can pick it out. So this one, let me go get the pit tool and show you guys how I did it. Alright, this is the pit tool you guys will need. It's angled like this to be able to reach in and remove everything. So it's gonna be kind of hard to know where the tabs are, so you have to use the old one as like a guide to know where all the tabs are. But this one I've already removed, but just know it might be a little hard. It took me about 10 minutes to get the first one out. So this one can just pull it out now. So this one is pretty hard to remove, but at the same time it's easy if you know what you're doing and you're prepared. So this one, so to remove this tab, there's one on the side over here. Remove that one. All the top ones, there's 3 on the top. Then on the side, you can remove this one and then take it out. So now that you got the second one out, you can just put it back in, not like all the way, but just a little bit, to the point where it's holding, and have like a little before and after to know. So this is what it'll look like. This is the black one. Chrome one. I think the black one will look much better. So now I'm gonna take this one out, and now I'll put this one in. I should put it in, right? I put this one in, align everything. This is how it is now. The 2 black ones, it looks so much sportier and nicer with the dual slats, the MT style kidney grills. So that's how you guys install it. I'll put a link down below for all the tools you'll need to do this, and that's how you guys install it. So I'll see you guys next video. Please like this video and subscribe and turn post notifications on, and comment if you have any questions. I'll see you guys later.